Now, my some surveyor friends have some confused about convert the data from CAD drawing to SDR file or text file. Suppose we have one drawing provided by our engineers or consulting or our chief and tell to us take this drawing and go take coordinates and go to set out. If 2 3 points 4 points 6 points even 10 20 points we can take and easily and with the total registration take set out method and we can enter by manually. But if suppose we have 100 200 points and we have to mark this one within 2 hours 3 hours and we don't have more time, then what we will do? If we will enter and set out, then it take much time. For this type work we have to make easy our work. And for the easiness, this is the very good method. You took the coordinates from CAD drawing and upload to our total station, then set out, and it's very easy for us to complete our job within 2 3 hours. What I told you before. Now, friends, I learned this method, and I want to describe to all of you how to take data from drawing and convert to SDR or text. What is the supported in your instrument like a Sokia, Tembel, Topcon, any machine. You will take data from drawing in SDR and text. Now I have to process here. First one the SDR and second in text. Suppose RCSB 2 3 formats here, but now we are going to specifically the SDR file. Suppose I have this drawing. Suppose this is the drawing, and we have to make the layout for the columns. Okay, then what we will have to do? First, we have to take the coordinates and make this Excel file. This most important, friends. Take coordinates and convert it in Excel. To convert in Excel, we should use the application the name of the corn COORN corn. Then we can go direct and convert that in text or Excel or HDR or CSV anyone. Look how we can do. Suppose I take 1 2 3 rectangle. Suppose see I take one and consider this column for any building. This is the learning purpose, tutorial purpose. Two columns again, column 3, and again I take one more column, total 4 column. I'm recording also this, I'll share in the YouTube, but this is the live to learn. Everyone who's want to now or later they can learn with the download or watching YouTube channel. Suppose this 4 column we have in one layout. This the building layout and this 4 column we have. Suppose the column name is C1, whole column name is C1. Then what we have to do? First we have to go in application, means upload which type data you want. We are now going to take a con. Then we have to enter the in keyboard upload. For uploading into application we have to enter the short command ANP, see, and enter the keypad. Then dialog box open for the load and unload application. Now we have to go to upload. We have to go to load corn, as I told you before. This is the corn. Load and again close this because this is loaded, and close this dialog box and come to our window where we have to take the coordinates. Suppose this one. This is our 4 column, as I told you before. Now take the coordinates. Use the application short form corn, COORN, or and see the window came here. One pull down menu came here. Take this coordinates, name corn, and use. See, now one more pull down menu came here. This specification is peak points, block, polyline, or what you want. You have to take the peak points. Okay, and go your column points and collect and click the corner. 1, 2. How many points you need, you have to click 4. Suppose each column 4 points I'm taking now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now all my 4 columns points is ready. Then we have to make enter the keyboard, enter key, enter. Then this asking start the number, from which number you want to make the identification for this corner. We have to identify by one number, the sequence 1. Then we have to enter the number of 1 and again enter. Now it's asking here, you need text file, Excel file or not save. You want to save this, which format? We have to save it, we will save this in Excel. Okay. Now the data is saving here. See, all points came 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These all points came. And our Excel is ready. See, this is our Excel. Now what we will have to do here, we have to make the serial numbers E and Z because our machine accepted E and Z. Then we have to mention here serial number, the point serial number, SN, short form serial number, and E for X for XYZ here, and we have to enter here E for the instrument. We can add the caps lock to come in the word caps. Now and नॉर्थिंग ईस्टर्न जिसको हम बोलते हैं फॉर दैट वी आर telling east and north this time. And Z is, you know the value, you know the mean of Z. Z is the zenith, means elevation. And come the code of this point. You have to write their code. So we will fix the points. What we will tell you, I'll tell you before. This is the columns. Then we will write here C for each column. If column type they are C1, C2, C3, C4 or anyhow, then we can specify here name. But now only C because all is column. See all here. Okay. Now we will make here all these are in center. Okay. For center we have to go to home and then come here center. See, we can come here center and all data coming in the table center. These all clear. Again we have to make this in caps serial number. Okay, now this is the very important thing what I'm going to tell you now. See, we have to take one line, one row. How many column we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We should have to take 5 column to come our data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and merge these. After that we have to go to formula option and take here text. Don't forget, go to formula and take text. Don't forget, this is the very important main menu and sub menu is text. After text, it's a pull down menu came here, concat. Don't forget concat. You can write in the diary concat and select it. Then we have to delete this first because this is by mistake this came here. We'll remove this. Now we'll go to concat text and concat and right here take the option in this dialog box. We should take serial sequence by sequence 1, 2 and comma. Again next column, this one, sorry, next step east, and next comma, again nothing, and here scroll, comma, because these are comma delimited file. Again value of the z, you have to fixing here 0, and next here enter and put 0, again comma, next what the else, our code. Now we have to enter this code, and again comma, and press OK. And save this file in desktop.